With modern retargeting and online marketing, we can be manipulated into believing things that we don't maybe even necessarily believe. See, our minds on a subconscious level are doing things that we don't even know are happening. We can't consciously actually see it. So as we scroll through Facebook, go through YouTube, are in our email box, we don't actually understand the messages that are being, presented to us. Now in the 2016 election, we've seen this firsthand. They were able to manipulate very specific small pockets of people that were online. See, we all live in these small, omnipresent bubbles. Now in the past, we've always lived in bubbles. It's part of who we are, part of our hobbies, part of what we believe politically or in a religious way. But now the algorithm has really, truly ruled us. It's allowing for companies and organizations to subconsciously, completely change our minds about anything. But you and me both have the same ability to do this, into being able to bring customers and raving fans into our business. Now, whether you want to use this ethically or unethically, it's being used. And the smart entrepreneurs, a lot of the entrepreneurs that I help that are running multi-million-dollar businesses are utilizing this in an ethical way. Being able to allow someone to understand exactly where they are right now in their life or their business or their relationship and be able to take them to the new upgraded version of their reality. Because most people don't know truly what it takes to be able to get away from their pain and their problem. Most people don't understand the process or the mechanism to be able to get there. And most people are afraid of taking the leap. So I want to share with you how omnipresence works and how you can utilize these bubbles and this bubble effect for your business to create one of the most effective and cost-effective ways of being able to take complete strangers and turn them into people that look up to you as if you were a celebrity so that you can start working with them and start changing their entire reality. Go ahead and take a look at the link above or below. I really want you to start utilizing omnipresence marketing. So if you enjoyed this content and you want more of it, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And if you want other entrepreneurs just like you to be able to also access this information, this knowledge, make sure you go ahead and share it with someone that means the most to you. Remember, as entrepreneurs, it's our job to be able to help other entrepreneurs continue to elevate, allowing us to evolve society and evolve our world. I'll see you next time. Bye.